Good morning, everybody, and welcome to Tuesday, September 7th. Welcome back from our 3-day weekend. So today, ladies and gentlemen, we are starting our writing unit. Woo! Our essential question for the day is how and why are structure and mechanics important to writing? We're really going to be going into the structure and mechanics of writing, ladies and gentlemen, especially as we go through TPAC. Today, you worked on your 30-day writing challenge. Today is day 6. We'll talk about it in a second. We did a TPAC quiz review. We didn't quite get to our TPAC annotations or our TPAC rewrite, which we will be getting into tomorrow. Additional reminder, today was all classes, bell schedule 1 through 8. So your due now today was in your Google Classroom, complete day 6 of your 30-day writing challenge. The prompt today was, I feel brave when blank. So, when do you feel brave? Let me know. Then we had our TPAC quiz. Woo! Just as I let you guys know, the Google form was pretty faulty when you guys were trying to write your responses and as we were going through it yesterday, so I'm not going to count this quiz actually, but it was very good review for some of you who completely forgot what is analysis. Oh no! Remember, we talked about inferencing and what the formula is for inferencing. There's multiple steps to this, folks. We're going to keep going it over the next couple of days. We went over the TPAC structure again. Remember, TPAC stands for topic, evidence, paraphrase of evidence, analysis of evidence, and conclusion. Okay? We went over these questions. You guys have this handout, and then we went over the sentence starters. Remember, right now we're following a formula, ladies and gentlemen, so I want to see these sentence starters. I want to see this formula for now. When we get into TPAC writing later this week, you will be following this formula, okay? And we didn't quite get to it, but we're going to be doing some annotations tomorrow, so this is a bit of a sneak peek for those of you that haven't seen it yet. And then our exit ticket, which we also didn't quite get to, was to rewrite the analysis in your paragraph. So we're going to be doing that tomorrow. I really want to make sure you guys are comfortable with analysis. All right, guys, that is it for me. If you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out to me, and I'll see you guys in class.